In the frosty season, when the sun was set, invisible for many a mile, the cottage windows through the twilight blazed. I heeded not their summons. Happy time it was indeed for all of us. For me, it was a time of rapture. I wheeled about, proud and exulting, like an untired horse that cares not for his home. All shod with steel, we hissed along the polished ice, while the stars eastward were sparkling clear, and in the west, the orange sky of evening died away.